Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube logo for your channel. Before we begin, click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and hit the bell. So let's start. First of all, we need to go to canva.com. Of course, you will find a link to Canva in the description of this video. All you have to do is click on it and you will be taken to Canva website. Once you are here, if you don't have an account, you need to sign up using Google, Facebook or your email address. After you sign up, we need to click Login in the right top corner and then log in either with Google, Facebook or our email and password. I'm gonna choose Login with Google, and once you are logged in, you will see something like this, and in order to create logo we have to click Create a Design. And then in the search box over here we write YouTube. Once we do this, we have three options: channel art, icon and thumbnail. YouTube logo, another way to say it is YouTube icon. So let's click over here on YouTube icon. And once we do this, we can see that it's in a square shape, and over here we've got some different templates. We can type anything in the search box what we want and it will find different templates. So we've got two options. One is to choose a template that we like and then adjust it to our own needs. Let's say you would like this one, so you can choose this one and then change the text or change anything else you want. Or maybe this one looks nice for you, so you would click on this one, then change the elements. For example, you can change the colors. As you can see over here, you can change this blue color to any other color you want. Then you can change the green one to any other color you want, and so on and so on. So if you want to change existing template and adjust it to your own needs, you can do that. Then you can click on the text, for example, and type, for example, Topzoid or any other name you want. You can change the color of the text, you can change the size of the text. Size is over here. The color can be changed over here to anything you want. So I'm going to change it to a little bit smaller so it fits. And of course you can also change the font. So if you click on the text up here, we can click on the fonts and choose any font you like. For example, let's say I'm going to click on this one and it looks like this. So you can change the font, you can change the elements over here, you can add new elements here by clicking on the elements on the left side. Here we've got search icons, search box, and we can type in anything we want. Let's say I'm gonna add a circle because YouTube channel logo or YouTube logo is a circle shape. So if we add the circle, we will see already if everything fits in that circle. So that's just for helpful purposes. I'm gonna send it to backwards using position backward. And as you can see, we can also add or change the color of this circle. So if we want our background to be black, we would do something like this. And then I would change this black element over here maybe to yellow. Yeah, so this is how we create or edit existing logo. Of course, we can do the same and create the logo by adding some photographs if we don't want it to be in vector graphics. So over here in elements we can look for different elements, for example abstract elements, and after you add them you can of course change the colors, etc, etc. When we add photos, we can click on photos over here and then type what are we looking for. Let's say I'm gonna type abstract, and after that it finds a lot of photos connected to abstract. And very important thing over here, when we hover over the photograph, in the right bottom corner we can see if this is free photograph, or like here if there is a dollar sign, that means we can purchase this kind of photograph for $1, or if we have Canva Pro we can use it for free. So just look for the image that you like to use for your logo. You can also scroll down over here until you see more, click over here and then choose either Pexels or Pixabay. Both of those websites are websites with free images. They have millions of free images. So if I click on Pixabay, I type abstract, and as you can see it finds a lot of different images that are available for free. So just find the image that you like, the image that fits your channel. Let's say I have channel about tutorials and technology, etc, so I would type in, for example, Android, and after I type in Android, as you can see there are some cool images about Android. Or if you type in technology, there will be some images connected with technology, etc. So all you have to do is find the image that you like. I'm gonna go with abstract like I did in the beginning, and when we click on abstract we can choose whichever abstract logo we want. So if we click on it, as you can see it's automatically added. Over here we can resize it so it will fit perfectly in our design, and of course we want it to be somewhere in the center. So let's say this design would be what we want, or maybe we can find something better. Let's say I'm gonna use this eye. I'm gonna resize it so it fits perfectly. I want it to be resized as much as possible. Once we do this, we can click crop, and it will crop our photograph to this square that will be our logo. We click done. And right now our photograph was cropped already, and after we click on our photograph we can, for example, also flip it horizontally. As you can see, we can adjust it by changing the brightness of our photograph, by changing the contrast to be stronger or less contrast. We can change the saturation if you want our eye to be brighter, like you can see right now. We can change the tint of the whole photograph. We can add some blur or make it sharper. We can add X process, as you can see right now, and we can add some vignette, as you can see on the corners. We can also add different filters, so we can make our photograph to be black and white or pop up the colors, etc. Just choose whichever filter you like the most. We can also add different effects. As you can see over here, there are some few effects like pixelate, slice, color mix, etc. There are some liquify effects. Let's say I'm gonna choose screen. I click on it and it should be applied in a second, and as you can see it was already applied. So let's say I like this logo as it is right now and I want to export it. In order to export our logo, we would click up here on Publish, on this arrow over here, then we click Download, and after we click Download we can choose if you want to download it as PNG or JPEG. I suggest PNG, and then we click Download. Once we do this, it will start preparing our logo, and once it's prepared we will see a window like this, and we can point to a place where we want to save our logo, and then we click Save. And right now, as you can see, it was saved. I'm gonna click on it to open it, and as you can see, after downloading our logo it looks like this, for example. So just go to Canva, create your own logo, you can share them in the comments, and remember to click thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!